Hello viewers, welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video I will show you most frequently used 50 German words with their English meaning and obviously with the article. So always try to remember the words with their article because it's really important in German language learning. I also included some pictures so it will be easy for you to remember the words. So then let's start. First, Das Mittagessen, that means the lunch, as you can see. Das Mittagessen, the lunch. Next, das Frühstück, that means the breakfast. Das Frühstück, the breakfast. Please try to write and memorize the word with their article. Das Abendessen, that means the dinner. Das Abendessen, dinner. Der Kaffee, the coffee. Der Kaffee, the coffee. Der Tee, the tea. Der Tee, the tea. Der Apfel, the apple. Der Apfel, the apple. Der Hund, the dog. If you see the der, that means it's a male masculine article, masculine noun, der. Der Hund, the dog. Das Haus, das means it's a neutral article. Das Haus, the house. Das Auto, that means the car. It's also a neutral article. Neutral noun. Der Baum, the tree. Der Baum, the tree. Der Stuhl, the chair. Der Stuhl, the chair. Das Wasser, the water. Das Wasser, the water. Der Zug, the train. Der Zug, the train. Der Zug, the train. Der Vogel, the bird. Der Vogel, the bird. Der Fisch, the fish. Der Fisch, the fish. Der Mond, the moon. Der Mond, the moon. Der Regen, the rain. Der Regen, the rain. Der Schnee, the snow. Der Schnee, the snow. Der Wind, the wind. Der Wind, the wind. Der Himmel, the sky. Der Himmel, the sky. Der Berg, the mountain. Der Berg, the mountain. Der Fluss, the river. Der Fluss, the river. Das Kind, the child. Das Kind, the child. Das Fenster, the window. Das Fenster, the window. Das Fenster, the window. Der Schrank, the cabinet. Der Schrank, the cabinet. Der Computer, the computer. Der Computer, the computer. It has alternative meaning as oil. Der Rechner. Das Zimmer, the room. Das Zimmer, the room. Die Blume, the flower. Die Blume, the flower. Das Buch, the book. Das Buch, the book. Die Katze, the cat. Now you can see there is a different article die. It's a feminine article. So if you see die before any noun, that means it's a feminine article. Die Katze, the cat. Der Tisch, the table. Die Uhr, the clock. Die Uhr, the clock or hour. Die Milch, the milk. Die Milch, the milk. Die Milch, the milk. Das Brot, the bread. Das Brot, the bread. Das Brot, the bread. Die Schuhe, the shoes. Die Schuhe, the shoes. Die Sonne, the sun. Die Sonne, the sun. Die Sonne, the sun. Die Schule, the school. Die Schule, the school. Die Schule, the school. Der Freund, the male friend. Der. Die Freundin, that means female friend. For female friend, we use die Freundin. Die Freundin. Die Familie, the family. Die Familie, the family. Die Liebe, the love. Die Liebe, the love. Die Arbeit, the work. Die Arbeit, the work. Die Küche, the kitchen. Die Küche, the kitchen. Die Küche, the kitchen. আর die Kuchen মানে হচ্ছে কেক, that means cake. Die Tür, the door. Die Tür, the door. Die Tür, the door. Die Tasche, the bag. Die Tasche, the bag. Die Lampe, the lamp. Die Lampe, the lamp. Die Lampe, the lamp. Das Handy, the mobile phone. Das Handy, das mobile phone. Die Straße, the street. Die Straße, the street. Die Stadt, the city. Die Stadt, the city. Das Land, the country. Das Land, the country. Die Freizeit, the free time. Die Freizeit, the free time. So here we already learned 50 German words with their English meaning. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will make another video with more German words with their picture and their meaning. Then see you later. Bye bye.